If you want to learn carving, then this video is for you. Here I will show how to carve maxillary first premolar in simple steps through diagrams. First we will take a wax block and instruments. For details you can refer to my carving videos. Now we will mark the long axis in the center. Level it as medial, distal, buccal and palatal. We will take a crown height 8.5 mm and the root length 14 mm. Mark 7 mm at the occlusal end and 5 mm at the cervical end. We will do it with the help of divider and scale. We have to connect these lines and remove the wax from both the sides, which will give us the trapezoidal taper. Now you have got the trapezoid. So our third step would be buccal and lingual cusps. Now to appreciate the difference in cusp heights, we have to make a slope towards the palatal side to get the buccal and lingual cusps 1 mm shorter. Now the next step would be getting the mesial and distal slope. For the distal slope, we have to take this line from the junction between the middle and occlusal third, and for the mesial one, from the middle of the cervical and middle third to the occlusal third like this, and remove the extra wax from both the side. Here the mesial slope is greater than the distal one. We'll place the buccal tip slightly distal to the long axis and lingual cusp slightly mesial. So our crown would look like this from the labial or buccal aspect. Next we will draw a midline from the mesial to distal side. It will be our central groove later, and two side lines as shown between midline and buccal and palatal edge. Also the cusp tip triangular ridges would align here. Now mark the line to join the tip as shown to carve the occlusal third of the crown and cusp tip. We will take the Buccopalatal width 9 mm and 8 mm at the cervical level and remove the extra part. We will carve the crown like this to get a buccal ridge and two developmental depressions on either side of the ridge. It will look like this from the buccal aspect. Coming to the occlusal outline, we have hexagonal occlusal outline, wider buccolingually, slightly converging mesial and distal outlines. Next step would be ridges and central groove. From cusp tip, draw triangular ridges sloping into central groove. Connect these ridges which forms the transverse ridge. We will mark the central developmental groove straight, shallow, and we will add the mesial and distal pits also. Next we will make the outline of the root, which would be tilted distally. From the palatal aspect, from the buccal aspect, we will draw the outline and we will remove the wax from both the sides. For the mesial and distal aspect, we have to draw outline like this and make the bifurcation in the middle third. We'll have to remove the wax carefully as root tend to break during this. So we have to carve this part in the last. The last step would be finishing the anatomy. Full carving videos and explanations are there on my YouTube channel. Link is given in the description. Watch it and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.